Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to build an AI resume analyzer using Zapier and OpenAI in 2025. In step 1, create a new Zap in Zapier and set the trigger to new file uploaded to Google Drive or any resume upload source. Step 2, add an OpenAI action. Use the send prompt event and structure your prompt to analyze resumes, such as summarize this resume and score it based on the criteria that you will give. Step 3. Map the uploaded file content to the OpenAI input. Now, step 4. Send the result to Gmail, Slack, or Google Sheets depending on your workflow. And step 5. Test the Zap and activate it to start analyzing resumes automatically. And that's it. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.